Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bypass or how to recover Gmail two-step verification in 2024. There are several ways of bypassing Gmail, you understand, provided you restore your phone or you lost your SIM card that is connected to your Gmail account. There are several ways of recovering it depending on the one that works for you. But the thing is, the one that work for Mr. A might not be the one that will work for Mr. B, vice versa. So here, let us discuss the step-by-step process to bypass your Gmail two-step verification. So what I want you to do is that if it is your first time of coming to my channel, and if you like this video, please like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. So let us try it now. I'm going to bring the email that I want to recover right now. So as you can see, this is the email, and I'm going to click on next. So the first step is the one that I'm going to show you now. This is the first step. So when you're here, we don't know the password now, and also the Gmail is in two-step verification. So I'm going to click on forgot password. After clicking on forgot password, it will take you to this place to enter your 8-digit code, to enter your 8 barcode codes, but we don't know the code. So what we are going to do now is to click on try another way. Let's wait for it. Okay, in this place now, we have to enter the verification code, and this verification code will still be sent to the email that we want to recover. Therefore, we cannot try this way, will not work. So we are still going to click on try another way, and finally it took us to this place, could not sign you in. So that is it now. That means this process is not going to work for us. So we're going to minimize it now. Go to your smart browser. Here I'm going to use Chrome. When you come to your smart browser, first of all, you're going to type google.com. Google.com. You understand? This is google.com. So it will take you to this place now. So what you're going to type in here is recover Gmail email account. You understand? So you click on this one, you scroll down, you will see account support. So this is account support. You are going to click on account support. So it will take you to this place. What you are going to do now is, first of all, you are going to enter the same email. This is the same email. So you click on next. It will take you to this place, enter the password. So we don't know the password. What we are going to do now is, since we don't know the password, even if we know the password, it will take us to two-step verification, right? So, and if you know the password, you can write it. So, but let's click on forgot password now. Then it will take you to this place to enter the 8-digit code. We don't have the 8-digit code, so we're going to try a different question. So it will take us to this place now. We have to enter the 8-digit code that will be sent to the email, and we don't have it. So we click on try a different question. So it still take us to this place. That means this method will still not work for us. However, let us go to the final method that is going to work, that I have tested and confirmed that it is working perfectly. I don't know whether it's going to work for you, but let's go to the final step right now so that I can show you how everything works. So guys, what you are going to do now is to enter another page, that's new page. Then you click on account recovery. So you scroll down, you will see how to recover your Google account. Click on it. All right, it will take us to this place. So you will have to scroll down. You will see tips to complete account recovery. I'm talking about this place, tips to complete account recovery. So you are going to click on it right now. Then it will take you to this place. The next thing to do now is to click on account recovery page. You see it up there. So it will take you to this page, and this is where you are going to recover your account. First of all, you have to enter the account you want to recover. Then you click on next here. Just wait for it. In this place now, you are going to enter the password. You are going to enter the password. You understand? Since it is account recovery, you might know the password and you might not know the password. If you know the password, you just enter the password here. And if you don't know the password, you have to click on try another way. You understand? So in this case now, we're going to click on try another way. So in this place now, you are going to enter your 8-digit codes, that is 8-digit password, which is going to use to log in. You don't know the 8-digit, right? So you click on try another way. So in this particular place now, an email will be sent to your email so that you go and enter the code. So in this particular place, what you do is, if you have ever logged in your account in another phone before, then you go there and check the code and bring it here. And however, if you have not logged in another this thing in another code, so you click on try another way. Okay, it will take you to this place. That means this thing can be recovered using this process. So the thing is, you must have your account login in another place before you're able to complete this process. However, if this process is not going to work for you, I'm going to drop another video, that is the one that is working perfectly for me now. I did the video last year, and I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. You go through that one, and I believe it is going to work for you 90%. And before I close this video, please be one of scammers that claim to be online hackers who normally charge you whenever you ask them to help you recover your email, and at the end of the day, they will block you. So be careful of them. Most of them are not legit. You understand? So you keep on trying it. There's no magic. There's no magic of doing any recovery. If you lost your email, you try the necessary procedures. If it don't work, then you can use your SIM card. And if your SIM card is also not available, if it is accepted in your country to do welcome back, you can go and do welcome back on that same SIM card then and use it to recover your email. So this is how awesome it is to recover your email. If you find this video interesting, give it a thumb, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming useful videos. Thanks for watching.